Hello class, this is an introduction to critical path analysis, or CPA as I'll refer to it in this video. As seen from networks, we learned among many things that we could convert almost any sort of data or scenario into a network. So for example, these were the 4 examples I showed: a city road network, a Wi-Fi network, a Facebook friend network, or an AI deep learning neural network program. One of the tools that we're learning to use in this branch of mathematics is called critical path analysis. In CPA, we will be using directed networks to represent activities. These activities can be as simple and mundane as bake a cake, or as complex as the order of units to take to graduate university in the minimum number of years. One of the key uses, and another example of CPA, is found in business, is planning financial decisions that involve many steps that lead to one key choice or one end result. So for example, a business may plan to open a new branch. Now this process may involve all the following steps, not in an actual order, and I may have missed a few steps. So here are all the steps that I thought of that might be involved opening a new branch. Go ahead, pause the video, you can read over it. But I hope as you're reading these, you can see that we can optimize this by identifying which tasks can be done simultaneously. More importantly, CPA can identify which tasks can be started the latest, but still finish the project at the same time. And here's an example of why this might be important. So these 3 tasks can be run at the same time. So you can begin budgeting for $2 million. You can begin shortlisting possible applicants, and you can also begin researching the most cost-effective location. But this task here, budgeting, that's money that could be spent elsewhere while the research is going on. A good question arising from this project is, what is the latest date budgeting can begin but still have $2 million ready by the time that research, this one here, is complete? Because if they begin, let's say if this takes 2 months, but this takes 4 months, if they begin at the same time, this will be $2 million waiting around for 2 months while the research is still being done. Okay, this is a very simple example, but we'll begin seeing use of this. So questions like this and more will be answered in critical path analysis. Little postscript here. The scenario that I gave here is actually very difficult, but the skills that we learned can be reapplied to this once you get the skills to do this. So I hope you enjoy the unit. Hope to see you then. Best of luck.